Hello everybody, welcome to Magic Mind. Tomorrow is a very special day, so we decided to launch the channel earlier. Since February 20th, 2022, a 3-day sequence of intense energy charge began, culminating with the opening of the portal of February 22nd, at 2:22. The Magic Mind arrives bringing videos about spirituality, magic, meditation, esoterism and self-help. Thus, there would be no better date for us to begin this journey of self-knowledge and inner peace. During February 22nd, we recommend that you do meditation or prayers, thanking you for your life, connect to your higher self, the creative source, get the energy the universe is sending you. Don't ask for anything, get what comes to you. Thanks for that. Keep yourself in peace, enjoy, in connection with your loved ones. Avoid negative thoughts, anguish, sadness. This will be a great period to carry out creative activities, seek events or get an intimate reform. Throughout February 22nd we will post videos of guided meditations. You can do during the opening of the portals, which will take place at 2:22 a.m. and p.m. Also at 20:22 or 8:22 p.m. and 22:22 or 10:22 p.m. The recommended time to perform meditation is at UTC 0 time, which corresponds to the central meridian. So, sign up for the channel and activate the notifications at the right time to start meditation. YouTube will warn you. Besides, the energy that will arrive through the portal is always available to those who seek it. The forces of light works full-time and did not give up those who tune into with it. So raise your vibration, feel grateful and come here to Magic Mind channel. Let's create a great egregor of peace and light for planet Earth. Gratitude, vibrate in the light.